I am Vivek, Mathematics faculty. Today we will discuss about JEE Mains in the topic limits in online Guru. Limit x tends to a f of x. Limit x tends to f of x is called limit of f of x at x equal to a and limit x tends to a f of x equal to f of a. How we can get this f of a? By substituting in the place of x a. For example, if you take limit x tends to 1, x plus 2 by x plus 1, this equal to, in the place of x substitute 1, you can get 1 plus 2 by 1 plus 1, this equal to 3 by 2. We will write some basic formulas. If f of x, comma g of x are two functions, then limit x tends to a f of x plus g of x equal to limit x tends to a f of x plus limit x tends to a g of x. Limit x tends to a f of x minus g of x equal to limit x tends to a f of x minus limit x tends to a g of x. Limit x tends to a f of x into g of x equal to limit x tends to a f of x into limit x tends to a g of x. Limit x tends to a f of x by g of x equal to limit x tends to a f of x divided by limit x tends to a g of x. Limit x tends to a k into f of x equal to k into limit x tends to a f of x. Here k is a constant. Limit x tends to a f of x whole to the power of n equal to limit x tends to a f of x whole to the power of n. Next one is limit x tends to 0 sin x by x equal to 1. Limit x tends to 0 sin ax by x equal to a. Here a belongs to R. Based on this formula, we will do one problem. Before doing the problem, you have to know about the indeterminate forms. Indeterminate forms. The forms like 0 by 0, infinitive by infinitive, infinitive minus infinitive, 0 into infinitive, 0 to the power of 0, infinitive to the power of 0, 1 to the power of infinitive. These are called the indeterminate forms. Means these are not determinate. We will do a problem based on this. Limit x tends to 0 sin pi cos square x divided by x square. When you are doing a limit problem, what you have to do is, first you have to substitute the limit as before, and you have to check whether you are getting the indefinite form or not. If you are getting the indefinite form, you have to simplify that by using mathematical properties. If you are not getting the indefinite form, that becomes the answer. For example, if you substituted limit here in this function, then you can get sine of pi into cos square 0 divided by 0 square. This equal to sine of pi into cos 0 is 1, 1 square is 1, so pi into 1 divided by 0 square is 0. This equal to sin pi divided by 0. Sin pi means sin 180. 180 is sin 180 is 0. 0 by 0. So you are getting the indefinite form. If you are getting the indefinite form in a problem, what you have to do is, you have to simplify by using the mathematical properties. Now we will simplify this. This equal to limit x tends to 0 sin pi into cos square x you can write as 1 minus sin square x, because you have the formula cos square x equal to 1 minus sin square x in trigonometry divided by x square. This equal to limit x tends to 0 sin pi into 1 is pi minus pi into sin square x is pi sin square x divided by x square. This equal to limit x tends to 0. Pi means 180. This is the form sin 180 minus theta. Sin 180 minus theta formula is sin theta. So this becomes sin pi sin square x divided by x square. This equal to limit x tends to 0 sin pi sin square x divided by, here write pi sin square x, here multiply with pi sin square x, here by x square. This equal to limit x tends to 0 sin pi sin square x divided by pi sin square x into limit x tends to 0 pi into sin square x by x square. This equal to, this value is 1 by using the formula limit x tends to 0 sin x by x equal to 1. So in the place of this you can substitute 1 into, here pi is the constant, you can take outside, pi into limit x tends to 0 sin square x by x square. This equal to 1 into pi is pi into, you can write this as limit x tends to 0 sin x by x whole square. This equal to pi into limit x tends to 0. You can write this as sin x by x whole square. By using the formula limit x tends to a, f of x whole to the power of n equal to limit x tends to a, f of x whole to the power of n. This equal to pi into, this value is 1, so this is 1 square. This equal to pi into 1 square is 1 and this equal to pi.